Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. We are going to be trying the new Indomie Relish, and it's not that new, I think like a few months. Anyway, I've been seeing it in shops, so I decided to give it a try and let you guys know what I think about it. Before we start, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. When you just click on the subscribe button, there's a bell by the side there. Click on it too, so that whenever new videos are posted, you will not miss them. Let's get started, guys. I'm going to be trying out this Indomie Relish. This is the relish, Abi. This is seafood delight. It's said with real fish chunks. So let's see how it's going to be. Normally, I don't eat my Indomie plain. I should add some garlic or ginger or potatoes or something, but for this I'm just going to make it like this so that we'll get the true taste of the Indomie. So I've opened the pack and this is what was inside. These are all the seasonings and then the noodles. So now let's see what was in here. This one is seasoning oil. This is relish fish powder. Interesting. Relish seasoning powder and fish chunks. Okay. So let's get started. Let's start preparing this. I'm going to make this on the way it is, but the only difference is that I'm going to add some pepper and onions. That's not going to really affect the taste too much. I just cannot eat Indomie that's plain like that. Their seasoning, their chili is not normally enough for me, so I'm going to just add some fresh pepper and onions. That's the only thing I'm going to add to this Indomie, just so we can get the true taste, like I said earlier. So guys, I'm going to follow the instructions on the pack. The instruction said, okay, after obviously pouring water into the pot, you put in the fish chunks and the fish powder and allow the water to boil. So that's what we're going to do now. In go my fish chunks and my fish powder. So I'm going to let this boil. It has been boiling for about 3 minutes. The next instruction is to put in the noodles. So I'm going to do that now. I don't like too much water in my Indomie, so once it just loosens up a bit, I'll see if I'll need to add water. So the next instruction is that put in the oil and the seasoning. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I say to allow it to cook for 2 minutes or until the water is dry. See, this 2 minutes, I never like the Indomie when it's 2 minutes. I don't like the way the Indomie looks when it's at 2 minutes. So I'll just let it cook until it has gotten to the stage I like it. But everything is in there now, so I'm just going to allow it. When it cooks a bit, I now put in my pepper and onion. But I'm going to taste it before putting the pepper and the onion. So it has been 2 minutes now. Here are the fish chunks. Here are the chunks. The water is almost dry, so let me quickly taste it before I put in my onion and pepper. I'm using yellow pepper for this. So I'll cover it for a few minutes. I don't mind the onions being crunchy a bit, so I'll just cover it for like a minute. So our indomie is ready. I'm keeping it down now. This is the moment of truth. So guys, after eating the indomie, I'm going to give my honest opinion about it. If you're buying this because you love fish and you want something fishy, you're in the mood for something with fish flavor and all, this is going to disappoint you a bit, at least in my opinion. The only time you notice that there's fish here is when you fetch one of the fish chunks and put in your mouth. It doesn't smell fishy. That can be a good thing for people who don't like the smell of fish. But if I'm getting indomie to eat fish, I would like some of the fish flavor in it. So yes, that's my honest opinion about this. Have you tried this indomie before? What were your thoughts on it? I heard it's a chicken one. I've not seen the chicken. I've only been seeing the fish around, so that's why I tried it. Have you tried them before? What do you think about it? Do you like it? Is it worth your money? Because the thing with food is that we are all different as human beings, and our taste buds are different. What I like, you might not like. Let me know if you've tried it before. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Until next time, bye.